Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit and add money into MetaTrader 5. Now, MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform for Forex, exchange markets, stocks, etc. Now, this is a very long process, so make sure that you're watching very carefully and make sure you press that like button, and any comments will be able to help you out. To start off, you need to open a demo account. Go to web terminal, put in your first, your last, your email and your phone number, and it's going to give you $100,000 as a demo to trade with. Now if you want to add money, you need to open a real account. By opening a real account, you need a broker. The best broker for me is IC Markets, is what I used for my MetaTrader 4, and is what I use to add money into my MetaTrader 4. Now, how you normally open the account is you type RC Markets open real account. Then you're going to open a live trading account. Now from here, you're going to put in your country of residence, first, last name, email, and then phone number. Tell us about yourself. It's just questions about yourself, what came to trading, why do you want it, etc, etc. Trading account configurations, such as all of your personal details. Your declaration, which means you agree with all of the steps below and everything, and open the account and start trading. Remember that you do need to verify your passport and your ID in order to be able to deposit and also withdraw the money if you do at the end of the day make any profit. Once you've made that account and you've verified, you're going to come into the secure client area. Your login is going to be into your email, which is your username should be your email, and it's just a random password. Deposit, there is many different ways to transfer. You can do it by wire transfer, you can do it by PayPal, you can do it by a Visa, you can do it by Skrill or Revolut if you're looking for more of that electronic thing, and the same thing for withdrawal. If you do have anything to withdraw from the account, you'll be able to withdraw how much you want from the account, if of course that account has that amount of money. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.